बरें करूं म्हणटा सांगूंक सोदता पयले सुवातेर देव बरें करूं आख्ख्या गोंयच्या लोकांक ज्या लोकांनी एक डेमोक्रेसीच्या नांवान आपले मन जे केले कोण पॉलिटिशियन वा कोण चोयना आसतना शुवर तेमी मायंड सेट केले आनी हांवें मदें 15-20 दीस पयले म्हणलेलें आता कितलेय तुम्ही एनी एलिगेशन तुम्ही कोणाचेरूय घाला एनी ट्विस्ट तुम्ही कितलेय दिया जेन्ना कॅप्टन मिरियातोचेर थोडी एलिगेशनां येयली that time also I made it very clear that whatever allegation may come today they will get nullified because लोकांनी already मनन घेतले and it was set that this time we want an activist to get transformed from activism from the roadside to the parliament and हे शुअर जातले अशें म्हज्या मनानूय आसले आनी ते हांवें स्पश्ट केल्ले सो देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सगळ्या गोंयकारांक ऑल टू कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट एवरी पर्सन हू केम आउट टू वोट दॅट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग and I thank every person in South Goa who pressed the button with a vengeance against the democracy that is being lost to till yesterday. As maga, I thought that I am breathing. Why I am breathing? Because itल्या जोरान तो 3 नंबर दामलो आणि डायरेक्ट मनशा फुड्यान मान भागयता आणि हे येऊन म्हाका जर इतली खुशालकाय दिसली की ऑल इंडिया लेवलाचेर म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक लोकांक दिसता आयज दॅट नाव वी आर सेफ बिकॉज दॅट 3/4 मेजॉरिटी 400 पार हे सगळे आता कापूस जालो सो देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सावथाच्या लोकांक चड करून आणि मोर ओवर झिरोइंग डावन ऑन पीपल फ्रॉम साश्टी बिकॉज दिस इलेक्शन and पहिले it was not an election fought by a particular party whether it is maybe Congress or India Alliance. This was no more left in the hands of the party people, party president, nobody. हे त्यांच्या हातीतले झूज लोकांनी काढून घेतले आणि हे लोकांक झूज मांडले लोक येयलो रस्त्यार चड करून सावथाच्या लोकांक सांगले आम्ही कोणाक वळखना हे पावटी वी आर गोइंग टू वोट अगेन्स्ट द पीपल हू डोंट रिस्पेक्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड दॅट इज हाऊ दिस बॅटल वॉज टेकन ओवर इन द हँड्स ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ साउथ गोवा. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, now that we have tasted the blood of fielding activists in Goa and we succeeded along with all the people, the civil society, the intelligence people, the social activists, म्हणणारा social workers. एकूच माझी विनंती असलेली, let us be all united together for the days to come. I understand there are some parties who has made a commitment that the alliance at the national level was only for the national Lok Sabha elections and they were also fielding differently in different states. Fine, that's okay. Where one party is very strong, they might have not gone into alliance, like Aam Aadmi Party did not go. But they have learned their lesson, they have burned their fingers. So it will be better that we come together. And since we have tasted the good blood of activists, and that we did not perform so well in the north to fight against the people who are against the constitution, I think it could be a good idea in the future. We could also think about new activists and groom them from day to day. There are a lot of activists in Goa. For example, at least what comes to my mind immediately, there are many of course, is like people like Swapnesh Shellekar is there, who is fighting for Goa. So we want people, activists like this, and we can henceforth transform this whole of Goa from activism to either in the assembly or to the parliament.
लोकसभाचे रिझल्ट डिक्लेअर झाला तुमकां कितें सांगचे दिसता
लोकसभाचे इलेक्शनान ओवरऑल गोयचे सिनेरी पळयले जाल्यार जायते जाण म्हणटले 1+1. सो द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट 1+1. द क्वेश्चन इज आमकां गोंयकारांकूच न्हू, ऑल इंडिया लेवल, एज आय वॉज वॉचिंग ऑल द सोशल मिडिया इन अदर चॅनल्स, एवरीबडी हॅज ब्रेथ अ साय ऑफ रिलीफ. हा देवा तुका बरें जालें, एटलिस्ट नाव वी फील सेफ. असो एक स्लोगन जायत गेलो नॅचरली. सो वी फेल्ट सेफ द मोमेंट द NDA government or the BJP as a party was contained to below 273. एक sigh of relief झाली, because he will not be able to do his मनमानी as in way that he used to do. आणि हे सगळे घडोवप पावले कशे. आता गोंयानूय पळय आमचे गोंयान वेळ प्रमोद सावंत उल छाती ठोकून सांगतालो भिवपाची कांय गरज ना, 40,000 मतांनी पासून जिखतले म्हणून सावथाची सीट. सो आमी कांय चड उलयनासतना दाखोवन दिलें की हे तशें ना म्हणून. एंड दॅट एवरीथींग हॅज इट्स ओन एक्सपायरी डेट. आनी फायनली वी गॉट दीस विक्ट्री फॉर साऊथ गोवा टू एन एक्टिविस्ट हू गॉट ट्रान्सफॉर्म्ड एज एन MP. आनी हे जावंक पावलें कित्याक, बिकॉज a unity was stitched together as India Alliance wherever, in whichever states it was possible. Of course, some people were criticizing, saying that Aam Aadmi chi unity don't have state in Asad Tingana. That's obvious. Wherever the particular party is very strong, they did not go in for an alliance. There was no need. But when there was weakness, like in Goa, there were too many parties, and we had seen the bad result during the last assembly election, where we had TMC, Aam Aadmi, NCP, everybody, and totally Goa was finished, and total dictatorship type of attitude came into Goa, and every day activists were seen on the road fighting for Goa. So माझी एकूच विनंती आसा आता ह्याच्या फुडें, एक्सेप्ट फॉर म्हणटात तशें एक आरजीची जी स्टिचिंग जावंक पावंक ना, माझी परत एक हंबल विनंती आसा. A very humble request to the RG leaders, especially the people who are like-minded. Please let us stitch ourselves all together with the differences. फाल्यां म्हणून जायना alliance मोडटलें तुट्टलें it is not in our hands. But at least coming together is the first step. So I would request all my brothers and sisters who are even supporters of RG, please raise your voice and make some people to understand that coming together is more important than whether we are dividing or not. आणि हे हांव कित्याक म्हणूंक शकता, that all the other parties are definitely willing to embrace RG also as one unit, because I heard an interview from Vijay Bab Sardesai recently on Prudent Media saying that RG is welcome to come and we can still fight together. So when invitations are given, I think we all should come together, stay together, and fight this dictatorial regime, not only today, tomorrow, in the future also.
सर, इंडिया ब्लॉकाचे कॅन्डिडेटाक सपोर्ट करपा लागून इंडिया ब्लॉक फॉर्म जाल्ली, खुबशे पार्टीज टुगेदर येयले, एक्टिविस्ट टुगेदर येयले, तरी सुद्दां तुमी नॉर्थाक कमी पडले. कित्याक लागून कमी पडले अशें दिसता तुमकां?
See, there are two things. North, I am not an expert in this, but there are some things I could analyze. Number one, we could not give a youth or young leader, which BJP could do because they were already riding on their success. Although there was anti-incumbency of a person being for many years, but then he was not a controversial person, number one. Second thing, we probably, I think that we could not get a lot of time to campaign, which we could not have that as a drawback in South, because Southak लोकांनी हे मतदान पळयल्लें, हे इलेक्शन हे लोकांनी पार्टीच्या हातांतले काढून घेतले. दे टूक इट फ्रॉम द पार्टी पीपल, वेदर दे आर काँग्रेस और आम आदमी एंड एवरीबडी, ऑल्दो दे वर्क, but they pulled that fight and they went on for the victory of South. Third thing was, there was no much involvement by the North candidate like Captain Viriato, who was involved with the activists. So all the activists came out vociferously, which did not happen in the north.
थँक्यू सर
Thank you.